Happy Saturday. Hey, we got something a little different today. We're gonna do some home maintenance. I am outside. We are in the middle apparently of a hurricane. There's still construction going on, so today's gonna be probably super noisy, but here's what we're working on. We have got water spots, bro. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some auto products. We're going to see what we can do for those water spots. We're going to wash everything with Windex first. We're going to use some 360 ceramic one-step by McKee's. We're going to put it on a one-step pad. We're going to use the water spot remover by Mother's. We're going to apply it two different ways. We're going to put it on a mild cut polish hex pad from Chemical Guys. It's normally white, but I was using a tinted polish on the Hyundai. And then we're going to use a microfiber towel, which is also the instructions for this guy. So let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get those water spots off. So I've split the window in 4 spots. This is going to be our control. And we will do Mother's here and here. This will be the microfiber. This will be the hex pad. And then this guy we will save from McKee's one-step on the one-step pad. And we're going to see which one removes water spots the best. Once again, everybody, I want to apologize for the audio. I had the dead cat on it, on the microphone. Still just super windy, but stick with it. You'll enjoy the results. Okay, first up, Mother's water spot remover. We're going to use the microfiber method. We're going to take care of this square here. Definitely smoother, but it does not look any better. Onto the pad, HexLogic pad, Mother's again. That is working much better. Let's get a little bit more on this guy. Better. Now, switch over to the McKee. That's a little bit better. Apply this with my back to the wind. The control, that's nothing applied to it. That's the Mother's hand applied, right? That's the Mother's machine applied. So quite a bit better than hand applied, right? Not perfect. And this is the McKee's machine applied. You see a little bit on the edges there. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, so I think it does just a touch better than the Mother's does. Probably a little bit more of an aggressive kind of help with that. But I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this window. I'm gonna use the McKees again. I'll do the cutting pad on the control section, since we already got an idea what the control looks like. I'm gonna do it on the control section so that we can compare the all-in-one pad to the cutting pad.
The brinks coming.
Sorry about the flags, they're going insane, it's super windy. Okay, so this is the cutting pad. This is the one-step pad, the McKees. Yeah, I mean the cutting pad's more aggressive, right? So you would reason to think that it's just going to take those water spots off a little bit better. So, and then we will ceramic coat the window. All right, y'all, here's another shot. That was the cutting pad with the McKees. That was the mothers with the microfiber. That was the mothers with the light polishing pad. Still looks pretty good. Then that was the McKees with the one-step pad. And then that was the McKees with the cutting pad. So, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the entire thing, do the rest of it. Alright, let's see the final product. I mean, it's still there a little bit, but man, it looks so much better. Here's one that has not been done. Sure, there's still some left, but it looks a lot better. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I'm gonna do this other window. We're gonna get them clean, then we're going to coat them. I'll probably do a quick little short guy at the end, just showing how I'm gonna coat the windows with the spray coating. Until then, why don't you take a break, like, subscribe, share this video, stay tuned for the coating. All right, guys, I got it as best as it's going to get today. You know, it would have been nice to have the sprinklers, you know, adjusted properly when we bought the house. That's just not how life works. So I went ahead and did this side. This guy, it looks pretty good. It's not perfect. You know, I just kind of did what I could with what I had on hand. So that's our base, right? That's what we're working with. And you can see like some parts, like this part is a little bit cleaner, a little clearer. Yes, I know I've got quarantine hair. That's okay. All right, we're back for the last little bit. It's not warm to the touch, so we're gonna use some 360 ceramic spray coating, the McKees. Ooh, that's a lot. Now we're gonna work it in, crosshatch pattern like normal. You know, the bottle's not specific about this, but this is a good, if you do any ceramic coating, this is like, you know, this is a good habit to get into in the way you apply, right? Crosshatch. Make sure you cover everything. What I did was, for the other one, it's already done. Did another spray, and then I came in and just really worked it in there. Nice thing about doing a window is you can see the reflection through the window. You can see the spots that you need to get. Level it all out. Okay. In about 3 minutes, we'll come back, we'll buff it off. She'll be done. Back 3 minutes later, we're gonna buff it off. You can see it's already a little bit clearer. Just applying this. Okay, let's take a final look. Sure, of course there's some spots left. But by golly, it's way better. Ooh, look at it now. I'm just kidding. It's way better than it was. Thanks for sticking around. And while I experiment with what I've got, see if it works on the house. So in conclusion, auto products can work for the house. All right, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, share the video. Let's get our garage out there. Okay.